Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create multiple Gmail accounts, so let's get started. Need more than one Gmail account for work, business, YouTube, or personal use? In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple Gmail accounts quickly and manage them from one device. First, open your browser and go to the Gmail sign-up page. Click Create Account and fill in your details, including your name, username, and password. Follow the on-screen steps to create your first Gmail account. Once the account is created, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of Gmail. Then select Add another account. Now click Create Account again and repeat the sign-up process with a different username. Continue following the instructions until the second account is created. You can repeat this process to create additional Gmail accounts. After creating them, you'll be able to switch between accounts instantly by clicking your profile picture and selecting the account you want to use. This makes it easy to manage separate Gmail accounts for different purposes without constantly signing in and out. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe for more Gmail tips, Google tutorials, and tech guides. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.